Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Life with Fatma Zahir. I'm back with another video, another one of recipes from Dubai vlogs. Chicken filled bread. So you can take 500 grams of chicken and you can boil it in salt and black pepper so that you can later on shred it. I'm going to make two fillings from these 500 grams chicken. Now for the bread, bread dough, you can take 500 grams of flour along with 2 tablespoons of yeast, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg and 4 tablespoons of oil. And you can knead your dough with warm water, lukewarm water, in a very nice soft dough so that it can proof nicely. On the other hand, you can prepare your tin with oiling it first. And now let's go and make the filling. Now for the chicken filling, you need to saute 1 big onion and 2 green chilies very nicely, and on top of that you can add your shredded chicken and you can cook it so that it is well combined. Now this is the whole 500 grams I've mentioned separately for both the fillings at the end of this part. So for one filling, the creamy chicken filling, you can take butter and you can add it to your half of the chicken mixture and add flour to it so that it is well combined. Now on top of that you will add milk so that it makes a very nice white sauce, or what you call it, bechamel sauce in English also, so that it is well combined. And you can add crushed red chilies and a little bit of black pepper. Now I'm not going to add additional salt because the chicken also has salt, and I added mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and that they were also salty, so I did not add extra salt in this. Now this mixture is of the 250 grams of chicken which I separated from the whole mixture that I made. So you can make it whole or you can make two different fillings. Now for the second filling, this is a little bit of pizza type filling in which I added jalapenos, green olives. If you have black olives you can add those also, and I added ketchup and oregano, and again I added some little bit of black pepper. You can combine it very nicely so that it is very well combined. Now these are my two fillings. Now you can go and look at the recipe card. Since it's summer, so it only took me 30 to 40 minutes to proof my bread, and it was very nice, double in size, which I later on then punched down so that I can make small balls and roll it out for my filling. Now 500 grams of flour made around 8 breads, 4 of each filling. So I just divided my dough into balls, into 8 equal balls, and I used them to make my breads. And I folded my breads into two different shapes so that I can distinguish that which one has which filling. Now you can roll out your first ball, and for the first filling you will put it in the middle of your rolled out dough, and then you will make diagonal cuts and then fold each cut over the other one so that it makes a very nice braid type design on your bread. So it's very simple to make this kind of bread. You can do it at home. It doesn't take much time and it's the easiest, and it's a very yummy recipe. Do try it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So you will complete your design by overlapping each cut out piece of the dough, and it will make such a nice braid type design on your bread. In the end you will just fold out the extra dough that is seen, and then you can complete it like this, and it will be ready. So this is the first type of rolling out and shaping your bread. So it's very easy, as you can see. Now let's move on to how to shape the other one. For the other filling, you can roll out one ball and you will place your filling towards one side of the rolled out dough, and you will make cuts, straight cuts on the other side, and then you will roll the dough onto the filling and then to the extreme other side, so that the cuts overlap the rolled out part of the bread. So it will make a very nice very nice now what do I call this shape, a very nice like overlapping type dough, and you can now make it into a circle and it will be ready to bake. After making your breads, you can place them on your prepared tin, and then you will egg wash them, and then you can sprinkle sesame seeds like I'm doing it. It will get a very nice flavor to it. And then you can bake your breads at 200 degrees for around 15 to 20 minutes, and for a nice color I put them under the grill for like 5 minutes in the end, so that it has a very nice light golden brown color on the top and it is thoroughly cooked. But this do try my recipe. This is a very nice recipe and it yields around 8 breads like this. So you can also enjoy homemade bread at home now. You don't need to go out and buy from any supermarket. You can make it at home. It's a very easy recipe. Do try it. And after baking, it looks like this. It was so yummy and the bread was so soft and so crunchy from the upside and soft from the inside. So take care and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please do pray for me, my children. Allah Hafiz.